Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken at home. First, select your preferred chicken cuts, whether it's boneless breasts, juicy thighs, or a whole roasting chicken. Next, gather your foundational ingredients: a good quality cooking oil, salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. Finally, make sure your kitchen is ready with a sturdy cutting board and a sharp knife for preparation. There are many fantastic ways to cook chicken, each offering a unique experience. Roasting a whole chicken at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 20 minutes results in incredibly tender meat and wonderfully crispy skin. Pan-frying individual pieces in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil provides a quick and flavorful option. Grilling over medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes per side imparts a delicious smoky flavor, while baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes is a simple, hands-off method. To truly elevate your homemade chicken, focus on flavor enhancement. Marinating chicken in a mixture of oil, acid, and spices for at least 30 minutes or even overnight deeply infuses the meat. A dry rub, combining spices like paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne, creates a fantastic crust. Brining chicken in a solution of water and 2 tablespoons of salt per quart ensures it remains incredibly moist. Don't forget fresh aromatics like lemon slices, whole garlic cloves, and sprigs of rosemary for an extra burst of taste. Achieving perfectly cooked chicken is crucial for both safety and taste. Always cook chicken until its internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a reliable meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding bones, to ensure accuracy. Once cooked, let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful meal. Finally, serve your delicious homemade chicken with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.